Can medication impact your B-cell immune response? Imagine taking a medicine and wondering if it's helping or hindering your immune system. Some drugs can actually change how your B-cells work, which are key players in fighting infections. B-cells are part of your body's defense team, making antibodies that target germs and help keep you healthy. They also present pieces of invaders to other immune cells and releases signals called cytokines to coordinate responses. Certain medications can lower the number of B-cells circulating in your blood or stop them from activating properly. For example, Rituximab is a drug that targets a protein called CD20 on B-cells, leading to their removal. This means fewer B-cells are available to produce antibodies, which can weaken your immune defense. But it's important to note that Rituximab doesn't affect plasma cells, which are the mature cells that actually secrete antibodies. So, some antibody production can still happen even after B-cell depletion. Usually, B-cell levels bounce back within a year, but in some cases, they stay low for longer, which can make you more prone to infections and lessen how well vaccines work. Other drugs like Belimumab work differently. They block a growth factor called B lymphocyte stimulator, or BAFF, which helps B-cells survive and grow. When BAFF is blocked, fewer new B-cells are made, especially the naive and immature ones. This is helpful in autoimmune diseases like lupus, where autoantibodies attack your own tissues. These drugs tend to reduce certain antibody types, like immunoglobulin M, but often leave long-lived plasma cells and memory B cells untouched, so some immune functions stay intact. Some medications interfere with B-cell signaling pathways. For example, Bruton's tyrosine kinase inhibitors stop B cells from activating properly by blocking a key enzyme in their receptor pathway. This can be useful in diseases like multiple sclerosis, where abnormal B-cell activity causes damage. Other drugs, like disulfiram, can suppress B-cell antibody production by affecting their metabolism, which is vital for their activation and function. From the immune system's point of view, these medications can do a few things. They can reduce the number of B-cells available to fight infections or produce autoantibodies. They can also block signals or growth factors that keep B-cells alive and active. Sometimes they change how B-cell subsets, like naive, memory, or plasma cells, are balanced. While these drugs are powerful tools for controlling autoimmune diseases and inflammation, they can also weaken your immune defenses. This can lead to higher chances of infections and lower responses to vaccines. That's why doctors carefully plan treatment, often screening for infections beforehand and timing vaccinations to get the best protection. In the end, medications can impact your B-cell immune response by targeting their survival, activation, and antibody-making abilities. This helps treat diseases but also requires careful management to keep your immune system balanced and working well.